Do you want to start a YouTube channel but don't know how? Don't worry, I will show you step by step.
To create a YouTube channel, you need only 3 things: a phone or computer, internet, and a Gmail account.
First, open the YouTube app on your phone or open youtube.com on your computer.
Now tap on the profile icon and click on Sign in using your Gmail account.
After login, tap on Create a Channel. YouTube will ask for your name and photo.
Choose a simple channel name. You can use your own name or your video topic.
Upload a clear profile photo. A smiling photo looks more professional and friendly.
Congratulations! Your YouTube channel is now ready.
Now customize your channel. Add a banner and write a short description. To upload your first video, tap the plus button and select Upload Video.
Your first video does not need to be perfect. Just start and keep learning.
If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe for more beginner tips.